Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, my sunny babes. How are you guys doing? I haven't seen you in so long. I've actually been pre-filming a bunch of my videos, so I haven't actually sat down and filmed in quite a while. But I am just so excited to film this video. If you can't already tell by the title, today's video I'm going to be doing a really cool one. I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using only makeup from holiday kits. So that means that I have racked up and gotten a bunch of makeup that was born from I've gotten a bunch of makeup that I bought from Ulta, and all of them are holiday kits, even down to the brushes and sponges. If you guys are excited to see this video, just keep on watching. But before we get into that, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Be sure to like this video, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, if you want to see more videos in general, because we got some fun ones coming up, you guys. Also, when you subscribe, hit the little bell notification so that you get notified for all the videos that I post. Otherwise, you don't get notified. So make sure you hit the bell and hit all notifications. Okay, let's get started. So the first product that I'm going to be using, I got two e.l.f. kits, and one of them had a really cool layout. It had a putty primer, a jelly highlighter, a lip gloss, and the total face sponge. So I'm going to start out with the poreless putty primer from e.l.f. And I'm just using the one that I already had because I want to save the other one. So I'm just using a used one that I already have. You guys, they came out with a matte version and also a dewy version of the putty primer. If you guys want to see that video, let me know. I've already ordered the products, but I can definitely do a video with the layout of both of those, and I can let you guys know which one is better, which one you guys should buy, which one I like the most, because I do have combo skin, so I can kind of go in between depending on the weather, and the weather has been kind of dry and humid around here, so yeah. So this one didn't come in a kit, but it did come as a holiday item, so I don't know if that's cheating. Hopefully you guys are okay with this, but I'm definitely going to be using the 𝓲𝓪 Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation. I tried this in store and loved it. It does have more of a full coverage, which if you guys didn't know, I kind of like sheer. So we'll see how this looks on my skin, but it says to shake well, so I'm shaking it. But I'm very excited for it. I feel like it's going to look really good. A lot of people rave about it, and I figured I could try the mini and see if I like it. I got the e.l.f. and Nabella holiday kit, and I will definitely, if I'm talking about these kits and you have no idea, I'm definitely going to put them somewhere on the screen for you guys to see, so you can go and purchase them before it's too late. She came out with this one a while back, but I just purchased it. She is literally beautiful. Her aura is just so wonderful. She's so positive. She always brings great energy. Whenever I watch her videos, I just feel so happy. She's just such a sweet person. So I definitely wanted to support her. How was Christmas? How's Christmas? Everybody have a great Christmas? So I don't know if you guys know this, but whenever I use a full coverage foundation, I like to go in with a sponge after I use a brush. Just pumping out the foundation. This is 2 pumps of foundation. I'm just gonna take this, and I've seen Jackie Aina do this, where she will pack her foundation on with her fingers, and she uses this one, so I am definitely gonna follow her advice. and pack it on like this, because she knows exactly what she's doing. So I'm going to start on this cheek over here, and we're just going to start blending. So today's video, I can't believe I started with my face first. Like, what am I doing? I'm wanting to show you guys how you can do a couple New Year's looks. And I'm using holiday kits because I feel like holiday just touches on, whenever it's a Christmas kit, it not only touches on Christmas but also New Year's. So I just brought a couple to the table that I thought were gonna work out. Yo, look at how tiny this is. It's so cute! Like, this is the size of my hand. And it, oh, it's so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna... Now is the fun part, the fun time. Ooh. I have no explanation for what just happened. So I'm going to be using the Pure Crystal Clear Ultimate Face Palette. Do you see her? She's very cute. It's a 3-way thing. Like, it is stacked. Okay, so I'm just gonna be taking a few shades in here to give me the look that I'm wanting. And I'm not doing, for one look, I'm not gonna be doing a whole bunch. For the second look, I'm gonna have to go ham. So for the first look, I'm just gonna take the shade Muse, which is right here. It's just a neutral brown color. Just gonna pack this in my crease and also blend it down. So this is like just a neutral shade to set my eye with. The NYX Disco Love Epic Ink Black Eyeliner. It's very cute. It's basically the Epic Ink liner. Their normal Epic Ink liner. It just came in the Disco Love collection, which was only a Christmas thing. So, y'all, when I tell y'all I racked up on the holiday stuff, I racked up on the holiday stuff. One holiday look that I love to do is a winged eyeliner and a bold lip. That is the most simple thing that you can do, and by simple I mean the liner is going to be hard, but the lip is going to be very easy, and you can customize it however you want to. It's just simple in the way that like the skin looks good, so you don't have to worry about making sure everything is popping on the eyes, you know. So yeah, look number 1. Let's get started. this is the NARS Climax Mascara, which came in a holiday kit that I bought. It came in a holiday kit with just this mascara and a travel size mascara for $24, which if you guys don't know, this mascara is actually $24. So I got the travel size for free, which is nice. I'm just gonna apply this real quick. I forgot how much I love this mascara because it just builds so nicely and separates my lashes so well. It doesn't do that clumpy thing, and it's like not too wet of a mascara, like it just looks so natural. Alright, now we have my favorite lashes from Lashbook. These are in the shade Lush. I actually got a 7-pack of these, which you can get as a holiday kit. Look at me. Y'all, I'm not playing. I wasn't playing around. I brought y'all all the holiday stuff. I got a 7-pack of Lush for, I think it was $28, which I know brands that sell like one pair of lashes for $30. So the fact that you're getting 7 for $28 is amazing. And they always have coupon codes. You can get 15% off using my code, Let the Sunshine In. So it'd actually be cheaper than $28. See what I did there? Yeah. I'm going to be using some NARS lip pencils that also came in the holiday kit that I was using. So, this is number 1, Train Blue. It's a purple lip. Let me just apply this real quick. That's cute. But I'm not going to wear it alone. I'm going to put Dragon Girl over it. NARS lip pencil. I'm going to put Dragon Girl in the center as like an ombre situation. Oh. Woo! Yes. Y'all. And I love it because it makes my teeth look so white. It's a blue-red color. Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching. This is holiday look number 1 for New Year's. And when you go into 2020, you gotta look good. So, I mean, this look is everything. We got the good lashes. We got a good winged liner. We got some lip. It's very simple, but it still looks very elegant and cute. And you don't have to do lashes this big. I don't normally do them this big, but when I do, they look good because I get them from Lashbook. Use my code, Let the Sunshine In, for 15% off. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment down below if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!